Okay guys, so today we are going to unbox this Lenovo Tab Plus, which I got in an Amazon offer where the real price about 20,999, but in the offer I got a discount of 5,000. I got for 15,999. So this is the Lenovo Tab Plus. Let's see the specifications first. Under this, if you see, it has the Dolby Atmos. It has Android 14 enabled. It has a 2K monitor with 11.5 inches. It has 8 JBL speakers, which is good, and the processor is here, MediaTek Helio G99. It has 8400 battery mAh, and it has stand also. So it's a moderate tablet. So let's go ahead and open this. I did unbox this before, but just for putting the tempered glass. So let me just show you how the tablet looks. So once you go ahead and open it, see, it is tightly covered. So if the tablet is there in the box, it doesn't come out that easily. So we just remove the box over here. So inside it is covered in a silky paper, which is actually good. So we would just lift it up. We won't tear it, the paper is kind of good. We'll just slide this open. So this is the tablet over here, and behind, if you see, it has the Lenovo engraved in it. You do have the camera slot over here. You do have the JBL speakers. It has a Type-C port charging with a 45-watt charger. So this one speaker, 2 speaker, 3 speaker, 4 speakers this side, and on this side you have those 4 speakers, and you have the power button. So, and it's a very hefty laptop. And if you see, what is this? This is a kickstand which comes along with it. So let's move this box over to the side and turn on the Lenovo laptop. So this is the turning on of it. If you do want to see in the side angle, you can see that. Just give me a minute. So if you see, this is the side angle over here. This is how big the tablet is. And let's go to the overhead. So let's go ahead and set this up, and I'll get back to you. Okay guys, so I have set up the tab over here. So let's go to the horizontal view over here. So if you go like this, there's an arrow mark over here. You get all the apps over here. All of the Play Store is there, and VPS Office is there, Play Games, and Camera app. And when you go and scroll from up to down, you do get all the contact syncing and phone video pay and all those apps. And here you do have rotational, you do have PC mode also over here. Once I press the PC mode, enter PC mode, this is how the tab looks like in PC mode, where you'll have all the apps. And this is the tablet mode. So let's go into the settings in this and see what it is made up of. I'll get the camera a little bit closer for this. Just give me a minute. So under this, there are many modes, but all we want is about tablet. So the device name is Lenovo over here. Let me do a little bit closer for you. Okay, the device name is Lenovo. If you can see this, the model number, the system update. Storage is 128 GB and RAM is 8 GB over here. What I'm going to do now is let's check the speakers also in this. So I'm just going to go ahead and go back from here. It's just like slide to go back. We'll open YouTube. I think so it is just getting updated. So let's see for some NCS songs over here. Okay, the YouTube is on over here. Allow notifications, and we will just go ahead and check some NCS song, or we'll just go to my videos. So this is my video over here. So let's play a video and check the voice quality in this.
Hello, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. Today we are going to go ahead and check this. This is an umbrella power bank. So let's go ahead and unbox this.
Let's see the volume over here.
How this works and how much is this for?
And how much we can increase the volume also. The volume key comes above. So let's go ahead and increase the volume. It is in the moderate volume now.
This is the power bank which we are talking about. It's from the company Umbrain. And let's go ahead and open.
As you can see, the JBL speakers are working clearly over here, and the display also is not too bad. You do get a full display. I would show that in my side camera so that you can see better. So here you can go ahead and see the video.
When you open the package,
sideways,
what all you
so
get
clear
is,
without any
you
issues.
get the power bank,
And the JBL speakers are
you
working.
get the
It's
rating
magic
card for
also.
it,
As you can see, these JBL speakers are working.
and
All
you
we
get
have to
a.
do now is we have to.
How do you go ahead and charge your device?
So it doesn't rotate.
You also get a
The
Type
eyes
C
on
to
the
Type
way.
C cable, braided one. It's a
So the speakers are working properly in this. Let's listen to some music also instead of my videos. NCS music. Let's play a song in it.
Cadbury Dairy Milk by Sihi Madonna.
So as you can see, the music is getting recorded over here.
Hold me close till I get up. Time
I
is
get an
barely
extra
our
mic.
side.
The music from the upper
I don't wanna waste your flights. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't.
Even that is working clearly over here. So the YouTube has been tested. Now regarding other details, as I told you, this has a stand also where you can just go ahead and flip this part here, and the stand will be useful for you. I don't even have to touch it. I put a tempered glass just for the time being so that it's good. So if you see, it's a total hands-free experience for you. It is a little bit slippery, so try to go ahead and get a cover for it, which would be good. And let's see other features also in this. So let's test the camera quality in it while using the app. So if you see, this is the camera quality, which is not bad for this budget. It's for 15,999 and it's a tablet. So if you see the Zebronics Bolt, it gives a good camera quality, but the main thing we need is the video calling. So let's see the video. Okay, video is also good in it. Now let's, this is the Google Lens. So this is the camera quality in it, the front cam. I wish I can show you this. So if you see, this is the camera quality of the front face over here, which you can go ahead and check out. It's not that bad also, using my side cam. So if you see, this is the camera quality. Let me try to record this. Okay guys, so this, as you can see, has a split screen feature where you can go to YouTube or just go behind to the main app page, click over here, okay, we'll go to the song. So the song is playing. Here you do have the split screen feature where you can go ahead and split your screen later. So here you get the option of split screen. So one split screen will be the YouTube, other will be any other app which you want, like a Chrome or anything. And as you know, that's done. So we can go to this menu over here, and you too can go ahead and tap over here, split screen. That is easier for you to do, and you can open any other thing apart from that, like Google's surfing or anything. It does have something called as music upload. Let me see, what is this? This background sound. So you have Dolby Atmos and everything. And you do have various apps. You do have WhatsApp also in this, which you do can go ahead and install, and you can use for your video calls. And you have speakers, you have volume rocker button, you do have about 8 speakers to be said exactly. And above here you do have the memory card option where you can extend it to 128 GB. And here you have the headphone jack and the power button. So you do can go ahead and set up a normal. If you see over here, you do have the YouTube over here, which you can browse from, and it is a kind of heavyweight device. So let me see if I can cast any music over here, or I'll try that later for you and I'll show you that. You do have some videos and pics of this tablet which I have taken on this camera, which you do can go ahead and check in the end. So let me just take a selfie in this and keep it to see the camera effect, and also I'll take a back camera image over here, so which I have gone ahead and taken, and in the end I'll be showing that to you, or in between the video we'll go ahead and do that for you. So if you did like this tablet, you do can get it on Amazon, as I told you. And if you did like the features also, are very good in this tablet, and it is loud. To end the video, I'll just go ahead and play the music again to make you see how loud this is. It is quite loud, as you can see that. So if you did like this unboxing experience, because I'm not going to put any intro or outro on this, like, subscribe for this channel, and I'll put many other unboxing and reviews for you. Until next time, you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you do have a wonderful day.